I'm here.
Here's your text to Kate Musavi. I'm here. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send it.
Okay. Message sent.
Text Brooke. Text Brooke.
Text Brooke Musavi. Okay. What's the message?
I'm here.
Here's your text to Brooke Musavi. I'm here. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send it.
Okay. Message sent. Okay, coming. You think he can impact their decision? Do you want to reply?
Yes. Hey, baby. You want to come?
No.
Nobody's home?
No, they're home.
Hello. Want to come?
I have gum right now.
What's written at the door? The written.
That one fell down.
Huh?
That one fell down.
No, but the note.
It said, don't ring the doorbell because Curtis is asleep.
Oh. Who rings the door?
I don't know, people.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
You remove all the pumpkins too, I see.
Yeah.
I put the Christmas stuff.
Yeah.
Halloween was good?
Pardon?
Halloween was good?
Yeah, it was so much fun.
Yeah?
Yeah. What kind of phone do you have?
Samsung. It's that one.
That looks so cool. Are you recording? No, really?
Yeah.
Can they hear me? Hello?
Oh, I don't know. I think, it records the audio as well. But it's just an app you download on your phone. It's called Dashcam app.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have...
So now you don't have an Apple charger in here anymore?
No, it's here. My apples are in the back end here. You could use it.
How's your new job?
Starting tomorrow.
Oh, I thought you started.
No. My last day was the other job on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
I got my laptop and stuff, but I didn't really start training and working. I met a few people, but I'm not really in until tomorrow. It's an Indian company. Daddy paid for your soccer. You have soccer. Mommy sent me the bill.